Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Tuesday's Daily Financial Digest.
Market participants should watch for updates on the economic calendar, which includes a variety of releases, from high-impact data to more routine updates. These could collectively sway market conditions and strategy. With the possibility of market shifts following these releases, vigilance is key. Make sure your investment strategy is ready to adapt as new data unfolds.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The S&P 500 and the Nasdaq closed higher to start the week, with artificial intelligence-related deals driving much of the gains, even as the Federal Reserve's near-term monetary policy grew increasingly foggy due to scarcity of official U.S. economic data. TON strategy has been reprimanded by Nasdaq over rule violations related to its Toncoin purchases. Nasdaq has issued TON strategy a letter of reprimand in connection with its $272.7 million Toncoin purchase. Alphabet is tapping the US dollar and euro debt markets in a multi-tranche senior unsecured notes offering. The digital media and tech giant will use the proceeds from the note sale for general corporate purposes, including the potential repayment of a portion of its outstanding debt.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
The last session saw the gold gain 0.7% against the dollar. According to the CCI, we are in an overbought market. The euro-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market. The pound-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market. The Aussie dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.1%. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.